party people on. What's up, guys? We're gonna be making some spaghetti and some meatballs. So we got some of our ingredients out here. Alright, so you gotta put this precise amount of Parmesan cheese in on top of your meat. So measure that out to about a Justin handful. Pat it down. Oh, it helps if that's open. So now you gotta put in your breadcrumbs.
Tiny breadcrumbs.
And this is another precise measurement. Let's just call that 2 handfuls. What is this?
Onion powder.
Onion powder. Garlic powder. We already got the Italian seasoning. Wait, no we haven't. Not yet. We did Parmesan cheese. That's first. Then your breadcrumbs. Then your onion powder. And what was that one? Italian seasoning. Then you get some milk. Just a splash. Just a splash.
And 2 eggs.
And then you get 2 eggs. You guys can't leave no hate comments down below because you're not going to taste his meat, so. And then you got to play with it. I mean, mend it together. Or, wait, what do you call this?
We're mixing it.
Mix it, yeah. Mix your meat. And then, here, let's walk on over here to where step 2 is. Okay, so right over here we have step after the meat's being made. You get your little hands and you make you some big old meatballs and put it on a pan. Preheat your oven for 325, 350, 350. 350. Oh, make sure your ingredients don't fall out. When Cohen makes meatballs, he's either small or really, really big. Good job, Cohen. Keep up the cooking.
Is one the left and one the right?
Hey, if you guys got some comments, some tips on helping cook, drop them below. Before you preheat your oven, make sure you don't got nothing inside of it. Whoops, leftover pizza. It goes in the oven.
And inconsistent balls.
There's our consistent balls.
Oh, inconsistent.
Inconsistent. Oh wait, yeah. See, that one's little. That one's big. Yeah. It doesn't matter the size. What matters is you stick them in that oven. And they're gonna bake, and then they're gonna go from big, and they're gonna shrink down to the perfect size. And it's gonna take about how long to cook these balls?
It varies because they're inconsistent.
So, on average, these balls will take maybe 15-20 minutes. So, we have 6 pounds of hamburger. So what you just seen get mixed in one bowl is actually 3 pounds of hamburger. Now, we're gonna open up a billion tomato sauces, and I mean a billion. Look at this, guys. Like, there's a billion, and then like there's the other billion, right there, right there. So let's get to open. It's gonna take us all day. Oh yeah, and you gotta cook your balls for about 30 minutes, depending on how thick they are. Okay, now we're back. Justin's so fast, he's already got about 500 million done, so we'll just take these and dump them right on in there. You want to make sure you get a lot of it out. You don't want to waste any tomato sauce. We don't necessarily know how much we're going to use yet. Oh, rip. We only use 3/4 of a billion of tomato sauce. And that is all full in here now. Boom. Okay, next thing with the sauce. It's not done. You gotta put a lot of Italian seasoning. That looks like about a handful. And then that really is about a handful of what? Garlic? Powder, garlic powder. Keep in mind, this is for like $250,000. Wait, billion. There's some onion powder.
A handful.
Of sauce. A stir, like a whisk.
Or just a spoon that we're going to use to get it out.
Like that. You can get you a spoon. That's in the video. They probably heard you. Uh-oh.
Ladle. Full size ladle.
Now it's nice and stirred, and then we're going to heat it up. But we also didn't forget this step. You got to get that garlic bread in there, bruh. So take a peek down here at our meatballs. Looking pretty healthy, I think. Come back to the next step.
Open the oven and smell my balls.
Alright, let's take a smell. Woo! They look like they're a little bit brown. Maybe you should see a doctor. They smell good. How about that bread? Oh, I think it's time to flip them. So my oven cooks like on the back better than the front on the top, so we gotta rotate those. After your meatballs are done in the oven, you put them in your... Whoa, that is cool. My flame fire looks like it's purple. Anyways, you put them in your sauce.
I could tell you something else to make it blush, but...
So then, we put some butter in our noodles once those are done. That way, they don't stick together. Don't touch it, it's hot. Yeah, you gonna stir it? Okay. Check out that shirt. It's a lot of noodle. Get it, Bubba. Oh yeah, stir all that. Woo! Good job. All right. Oh, careful. Let that steam go off. So there you go. You get your garlic bread out. You put your noodles in. You put your meatballs and your spaghetti sauce on top. You get you a nice cold Dr. Pepper cream soda.
Yeah, thanks for dinner.
So if you like this video, smash the thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button for the man, the chef, the legend. There's the sauce man, woman. She makes the sauce. Just makes the meat. And I just make the videos. So drop those comments down below, let us know how we did. I know you can't taste it, but it tastes amazing. You'll definitely want some of this meat in your mouth. Have a great day.